executed successfully. Now in my Telegram, let's go to my Telegram. This is, you can see, as RSS feed just from created from N8N. It is now working. So in this video I am going to tell you how to automate news from N8N to Telegram channel. So first of all, you need to open Telegram and click on this pencil button and create a channel, new channel. You can give any name like Ad Testing Studio. I have just given a name. You can enter description and you can simply create this channel public. So I have given this name and click on this. Simple, create a channel, add anyone, one person. So this is my channel is created now. Now the next step is you need to simply add a bot. You need to go to add bot father, look for bot father. This first one, bot father, just open this. You will be in blue tick is showing. Now you need to simply enter this command / new bot. So enter the name. I have entered the name. Add test studio. Just enter the name. So choose the username _ bot. Make sure to write this. So you will get a key like this. So make sure to copy this key and just copy this key and go to your new channel, newly created channel. Here you can just paste it here. So your bot name is this. Copy just and you can simply add this as admin. Go here and click on administrator and click on add admin, and you need to search your bot here, add testing studio. This is the bot. Just tap on this, give all the permission to it and click on this right button. Click on this right button. That's it. You're added. Now you need to go to N8N and you can see there is a key which you have got here. You need to enter this key in N8N. So let's go to my PC and show you how to add this key to N8N. So herein you need to go to this local host. I hope you know how to add a local host. I have created a specific video on this, how to create this local host. So I hope you can, if you do not know how to create a local host, you can find that video in my channel. Now click on this create workflow. Now click on this plus button. Now you need to search for here RSS. You see RSS feed should be there. RSS feed trigger. Just tap on this and herein you need to enter the URL, feed URL of RSS feed URL is, as per N8N is showing. You need to enter any feed URL. So herein I am just changing the URL. I am just entered this Moz URL. This is the RSS feed URL. After entering this, you need to click on this fast test event. You can see it is executing. You can see node executed successfully. So this work is done completely. Just close this now. Now you need to click on plus here and you need to look for Telegram node. Look for this Telegram. Now herein you look for send message. Send message, this text message. You can simply select this send text message. Herein you need to add this and herein you need to click on this create new credentials and herein you need to enter your key which you have got from Telegram. So go to your Telegram. So this is the key which I have got, this number. This is the entire thing, this starting from this and this. Just copy this and paste it there. Herein just paste the token and click on save button. Credential successfully created. Now close this and herein you need to first select messages, then send messages. In chat ID you need to enter your this ID, channel ID. Simply enter add testing studio. This is my channel ID. Scroll down a bit and in text you need to copy this code. You can simply copy this code from here. You can take the screenshot from here. I have taken this screenshot from ChatGPT only. You can simply take this code, copy this and paste it here. You can see in text box. Simply paste this, copy and paste, and simply click on this executive step. Executed successfully. Now in my Telegram, let's go to my Telegram. This is, you can see, as RSS feed just from created from N8N. It is now working. RSS feed. If I click on this link, Moz website, it rejected. So I need to, you can set it. You have to send the operation time as well from here. Click on send message. You can see these are the you can do further changes from here. Let's go to RSS feed once again and just tap on this, double tap on this, and you can see mode is every minute. You can change it every hour, every day, once in a week. You can do it every hour. In minutes you can enter every hour and 10 minutes, and you can add a poll as well, poll timing from here. and simply click on this event in node executed successfully. So you can change the timing from here. It is very easy, very useful, and you can test it from here. It is very useful, and you can execute. You can, after that you need to click on this publish button. Make sure to do that, and you can change the name from here as well. Make sure to click on publish, enter the name. You can enter any name from here and click on publish. Got it. It will execute automatically now for your Telegram channel. So this is the very easiest process which I have done, just 2 nodes here. So easy workflow, and this is just for beginners. And I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.